Good afternoon, Principal. Um, I'd like to talk about the pre-test scores that the students had currently. So half of the 20 students exceeded the standards, making only about 55% of the class understood the material. 30% of the students fell far below the expectation, so they didn't really understand what was going on at all. And only 15% met the standard at all, which means that they were just at the cusp. Um, that makes a total of 45 students that didn't really understand what was going on or what was being taught in the material. So, what we can do in order to improve that is I think that we should focus on doing more differentiated, uh, differentiated, differentiated learning so that we're able to um, have those kids that don't really know what's going on. We can put them in a small group with us and work with them sort of one-on-one instead of having to do one teacher to 20 students. It's better to do the 4 students to one teacher. This way that we can notice what aspects aren't being met as well as what they need help on, because every student is different, so we have to take into account also their learning abilities. um, I'd like to make sure that we work as much as possible with the kids that also were at the cusp. Those students would actually be um, John, Sandra, and Suzanne. Those were the kids that met the standard. And the kids that fell far below would be Jana, Joy, Bethany, Tracy, Anita, and James. I'd like to take time out of my day and work with them um, to make sure that they get as much attention as possible. Maybe it's something that we as educators lacked on. Maybe it's um, they have a different learning style. Maybe some of them might be kinesthetic or mostly visual. So we have to make sure that we meet those requirements in order for them to do very well on these exams. So thank you for your time, and I hope to talk to you soon.